Friends, I come in again to talk this morning about nutrition. In nutrition, you have plants like the moringa, you have the turmeric, where we talk about those two because it's essential in the use of athletics. The moringa, this is the flower, very good to make tea, and the leaf, the young leaf, to make tea. It's good for athletes. We suffer from inflammatory problems, so this is anti-inflammatory. All the antitoxic that you could accumulate in your body from excess of food, right? Excess of everything bring and leave a lot of toxicity in your body, and it could be very dangerous. You could find that your perspiration smelling high. People think when your perspiration smelling high, you got to use deodorant. No, you don't use deodorant. If your perspiration smelling high, there's a sign that something is wrong in the body. So you can't treat it by using deodorant. You got to clean from inside. Because what come outside is a warning to say that something is wrong inside, right? So all those who like to use deodorant, please stop. It's dangerous. Treat the problem from inside. So the moringa, this is the young. When it's very young, you could use it in food, and this is known in different parts of the world, in Asia, in South America. This is a young one. You know, you could use it in curry, in different type of cooking, right? Tea, we talk about the tea and the cooking part. This one over here, you could find when it gets older and brown, like the coconut. You get a water coconut when it's young and nice and thin. And in this kind here, you find it could be very interesting when you're using it like how could I say, the brown one. So basically, the brown one, like we say, is for cooking. The small one when you're cooking. When it get brown, the seed inside, you could take it out and use it. Just put it in your mouth and use it. Keep it in your mouth like for a couple minutes. Keep it under your tongue. Chew it slowly. It doesn't cure diabetes. Don't get me wrong. It doesn't cure diabetes, but it helps to prevent. Like turmeric. Turmeric is the same thing. It's anti-inflammatory. When an athlete is working out at a high level, he creates a lot of carbon dioxide and a lot of toxicity form in his body, in his muscle, that cause the pain. So when you're using like the moringa, these things, it helps in eliminating the toxicity in your blood, right? It helps as well in in building the immune system, reinforce the strength in your body. So you gotta know about these things. The turmeric, we use it in form of tablets. Like in Europe, we pay like €30 for 30 capsules of turmeric tablet. Same thing, very high in anti-inflammatory and different. I won't put too much technical name because I know I'm going to say this. I don't normally say certain thing. I try to abstain myself, but people lazy. And I would like y'all to go and do y'all research. I'm talking mostly to my young athletes. I'm not addressing myself to elder people, the young athletes. They use high smartphone, but they're not using it to the right capacity. So, moringa, turmeric, please go and do your research. Search about it. Get to understand what it is about and read the different, property that the way it could help you in different way. All right? Very important. Turmeric and moringa. Read about it and understand how could it help you in your preparation. Not now, because nobody in training at a high intensity. But once you're going into a high intensity of workout, this is the man you got to think about. The turmeric, use it, blend it with milk, blend it without milk for those who use milk, right? In a smoothie. Very good drink, right? And even for adults, even for those who are not running, this is a very, very good product in general. All right? I won't be too long. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful morning.